Hello everyone! In this clip, we'll introduce a board game designed to make personal finance easier to understand. This game is called WealthyCats, a game that helps us understand finance through the balance sheet house. The goal is simple: to make yourself wealthier, meaning having the highest net worth when the game ends. The main component in this game include a card organizer box attached to the game board, 2 player boards, coin tokens used to represent asset values and for trading, the central deck for drawing, a quest card deck, a wealthy lucky card deck, an order card deck, and 4 loan cards. Both players select 1 cat avatar each. Players will use coins, with the currency unit being coin, to represent cash and various asset values. Green coins are worth 1 coin, purple coins are worth 2 coins, yellow coins are worth 5 coins, blue coins are worth 10 coins, and orange coins are worth 20 coins. The balance sheet house is where we store our wealth. This includes cash, goods, inventory, emergency fund, and long-term investment. Together, these are called total assets. If there are debt or loan, total assets minus loan is called net worth, which is your true wealth. The first room in the balance sheet house, the cash room, is for storing money earned from selling cat pampering cookies and for making payments outside the house. In this game, we earn money by producing cat cookies meow munchies to sell, which requires 3 ovens. If you are interested in setting aside reserve money for emergencies, put it in this room. The benefit of setting aside emergency fund is that you will receive a cash return of 1 coin for every 10 coins reserved, which will be paid a total of 4 times in a game. But be cautious, money reserved in this room can only be withdrawn to be used when there is not enough cash for basic expense. To set aside money for long-term investment, you must place the money here and cannot withdraw it for use throughout the game. But you will receive a return of 2 coins per investment of every 10 coins. Returns will be paid a total of 4 times in the game. Whenever we need to borrow money, we must place a loan card in the basement, and once the debt is cleared or the loan is redeemed, the loan card can be removed from the basement. Goods or cat cookies sold to customers in the window are classified as an active expense to generate income for the house. Unavoidable expenses or expenses for important and necessary matters are expenditures that create a good quality of life. This is the basic expense. Expenses that are not necessary but we often yearn for, making us satisfied and happy, we call candy expense. Some situations force us to borrow money, creating a burden to pay interest periodically throughout the game. The money we pay for interest is called demon expense. All players start with 30 coins in cash, consisting of 10 green tokens worth 1 coin each, 2 yellow tokens worth 5 coins each, and 1 blue token worth 10 coins. Place them in the cash room on the player board. Shuffle the central deck cards and place them in the center between all players. This game will be played for a total of 4 rounds. In each round, players will take turns opening 1 card at a time until 7 cards are opened. Each card opened will prompt us to make decisions about finance and assets in various rooms, including the 4 types of expenses. Some cards are mandatory and some are special privileges only for the person who opens them. Select the first player and then take turns drawing and opening 1 card at a time. Before starting to open the first card on each round, all players must pay the basic expense first, 5 coins each. The first player opens the card, reads the text on the card for the other player can hear, and places it vertically on the card placement board. Then take turns opening until 7 cards are complete, making 1 round.